In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive an email using Zoho Mail. We'll go through each step clearly and carefully, so you'll have no trouble moving your emails exactly where you need them. Let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and go to Zoho Mail by typing in the URL mail.zoho.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can see your inbox and other features. Now, draw your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of folders starting with the inbox at the top and then the sent, drafts, and other categories listed beneath. Your goal here is to locate the archive folder, so go ahead and scroll down through this sidebar until you find it. Clicking on the archive folder will open a list of all the emails you have previously archived. The next thing you'll want to do is find the specific email you want to unarchive. Scroll through your archived emails until you spot the one you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on it to open the email. At this point, you should see the email displayed in front of you, and if you look to the top of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar with several icons. One of these icons is the Move To icon, depicted as a folder. This icon is essential because it allows you to reorganize your emails efficiently. Click on the Move To icon in the toolbar. This will open up a list of all your available folders where you can relocate your email. You'll see options like Inbox, Sent Items, and more. Since our aim here is to unarchive the email, you'll most likely want to move it back to your inbox. Simply click on Inbox from the list. This action will immediately transfer your chosen email from the archive folder back to your inbox, making it easily accessible for future reference. Congratulations! You've just unarchived an email, and it's now sitting comfortably in your inbox. By following these easy steps, you can effortlessly manage your email organization in Zoho Mail, ensuring that none of your important messages remain buried longer than intended. This not only helps in keeping your communications streamlined, but also enhances productivity by having essential emails right where you need them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your emails smoother and more intuitive. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Have a great